In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Planner. By the end, you'll know how to find Trello, open your board, access the planner view, connect your calendar, and schedule or reschedule your cards with simple drag and drop. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Trello and open the official Trello website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your account so you can see your workspaces and boards. Once you're in, choose the board you're actively working with. This is important because Planner pulls from the cards on the board you have open. Inside your board, look toward the bottom of the screen for the Planner option. Click it to switch into the Planner view. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can get here even faster by pressing G and then P on your keyboard. That's G followed by P, not both at once. This is a handy shortcut to keep in mind when you're switching between views during a busy day. If it's your first time using Planner, you'll be asked to connect a calendar. You can choose a Google Calendar or an Outlook calendar. Connecting a calendar allows Planner to place your Trello cards onto a real schedule and keep due dates in sync. When you choose your calendar provider, follow the prompts, review the permissions, and select the account you use for your scheduling. Picking the correct calendar helps keep personal and work events separate, so choose the one that matches how you organize your time. With Planner open, you can now start placing your work on the timeline. Drag tasks or cards from your board into the Planner. Dropping a card on a specific day will create or update the card's due date to match where you place it. This is a great way to transform a long list of to-dos into a clear plan you can actually follow. To adjust dates or times, simply drag a card to the day or time you want. If your view shows times, you can fine-tune placement to a specific hour. Need to reschedule? Just pick up the card and move it to a new slot. This visual approach makes it easy to see conflicts, balance your week, and keep priorities aligned without opening each card individually. That's all you need to start using Trello Planner. Search for Trello, open your board, switch to Planner, connect your calendar, and drag cards to schedule and reschedule your work. Save your changes, and you're set. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning with confidence.